Have you ever looked at your cat and thought, what could he be thinking? Most of us assume that a cat's face is always the same, a kind of feline blank face. He just sits there, staring at nothing, blinking slowly, moving only the tip of his tail, and many people interpret that as if almost nothing were happening inside. But what if I told you that right under your nose, your cat is hiding a universe of communication so complex it would make any human blush with envy? And the most shocking part? Researchers found 276 different types of facial expressions that cats use during social interactions. Yes, almost 300 ways to communicate with the face, while most owners spend their lives thinking their cat always has the same expression. For years, science, and even we as cat owners, underestimated cats' ability to communicate through their faces. We thought they were more reserved creatures, cold, hard to read, as if their feelings were an impenetrable mystery. When a dog changes its expression, many people notice right away. But when a cat changes the position of its ears, tenses its mouth, shifts its whiskers, changes its gaze, many people simply do not notice. But a study published in the journal Behavioural Processes opened a window into a world that had been hidden in plain sight. And what they discovered is, at the very least, astonishingly fascinating, because it shows that maybe the problem was never that cats do not communicate. Maybe the problem is that we were never taught how to read that communication. Imagine 53 adult cats, observed in a cat cafe in Los Angeles, living their feline lives, approaching, moving away, playing, staring at other cats, forming bonds, and also showing tension. The researchers were not just watching, they were decoding, using a tool called CatFACS, a facial coding system developed specifically for felines. They began mapping every muscular movement, every change in the ears, every shift in the whiskers, eyes, nose, mouth, and lips. What might look to a distracted owner like just one cat looking at another was to the researchers a set of signals. And what came from that was a revelation that changes everything many people thought they knew. They recorded 688 facial signals, but the number that truly shocks is this: 276 different combinations of facial movements. Think about that for a second. Almost 300 different ways to speak with the face. And the most impressive part is that many of these signals did not appear randomly. According to the research, about 83% of the facial signals were exclusive to either friendly interactions or more tense interactions. That means your cat's face is not a blank screen. It is almost a complex control panel full of social information. In a positive approach, for example, ears and whiskers pointing more forward may be part of a set of signals connected to interest, contact, or play. But in moments of tension, the combinations change. The face changes, the body follows, the environment matters. And every day, without you realizing it, your cat may be using this secret language with you, other cats, and the world around him. The most important detail is that we're not talking about one isolated face. It's not simply about looking at your cat and trying to guess everything from one ear, one eye, or one whisker. Feline communication happens as a whole. It's the face together with the body. It's the expression together with the context. It's the gaze together with the distance, the posture, the tail, the approach, or the retreat. That's why many owners end up missing important signals. They only notice when the cat meows, bites, scratches, or runs away. But before that, the face may have already warned them. The ears may have changed. Facial tension may have increased. The eyes may have looked different. The whiskers may have indicated comfort, curiosity, or discomfort. Your cat does not have a blank face. He has a discrete language of 276 facial expressions that you, until now, may not have known how to read. This discovery not only reveals the social and emotional richness of felines, but also gives you a powerful key to better understand what your cat is really feeling. Maybe he's comfortable. Maybe he's insecure. Maybe he's curious. Maybe he's silently warning you that an interaction is about to go wrong. And when you start observing these details, the relationship changes, because you stop waiting only for obvious signals and begin to notice small clues that were always there. Which of these 276 expressions do you think your cat uses the most? Have you ever noticed a look, an ear movement, a whisker position, or a different expression in your cat during moments of affection, play, or tension? Leave a comment and let's decode it together. And if you want to keep understanding your cat better, noticing signs that almost every owner misses, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos. Here on Decoding Cats, every behavior can reveal much more than it seems.